Second wife.
Today I got married for the second time. My first husband James died 2 years ago. Now, the two sisters of my bridegroom put me in the bridal chamber. I don't know the name of the white flowers, but it is beautiful. I sit here for a long time, that's why I am feeling my waist hurts. So I got out of bed for a little walk. Then I went and stood in front of the dressing table. I look pretty in the mirror today, but not for the first time. At that time, there was shame on my face when I got married to James with the blessing of my parents after 3 years of relationship. There was shame in my eyes on that wedding night. But on that day, I forgot everything under the touch of James's love. I am remembering James's words today in my second husband's house. Oh, my life. At that time, I suddenly heard the sound of someone's footsteps. I ran and sat on the bed. As a new wife, I can no longer move around like this. My mother is very sick. To say that she would die. But she wants to see me happy before she dies. That's why my father quickly found a boy for me and married me to the boy within a week. I heard that my bridegroom was divorced from his previous wife. That's why I was dissatisfied with this marriage. I wanted to marry someone whose wife had died because he would understand the pain of loss. Then we could console each other. But now, whom will I console? Probably, he divorced his previous wife by his own decision. Will he understand my pain? Or, will he only search for my body to feast on his physical hunger at night and maid during the day? I told all these things to my mother. But my mother said then,
"Husband means these things. You have to adapt."
"Mother, James was not like this." Then, Mother let out a sigh and said to me,
"Not much happiness is tolerated on your forehead, so God took your first husband."
I could not hold back my tears while listening to my mother. So I did not talk anymore and agreed according to their words. The father wanted to show me the picture of the bridegroom, but I did not see it. Of course, the bridegroom wanted to meet me, but I didn't. I don't even want to hear the bridegroom's name. Then my father just said to me that the bridegroom is very good. He will keep me happy. If father said such things, then I would go to my room. Then I opened my locket. There is a picture of James. Today there are many jewels in the bridal dress, but the locket is precious to me. But I was afraid. If he takes it off along with all the ornaments in this bridal chamber. I prepared my mind for him to play with my body, but my heart is only James's. Love is only for James. When my head was spinning with these thoughts, someone opened the door and came in. That is my new husband. I was very scared. Today I will no longer be James's. Then he called me.
Elizabeth.
I was suddenly startled by the call. Because it is my familiar voice. But who is he? Then he called again.
Elizabeth Ella.
This time I was really surprised. Who is he? That's what James used to call me. Now I was thinking about James very much. I could not hold my eyes from tears anymore. I shouted saying the name James and started crying. Then he came and put his hand on my shoulder. But I keep crying. At one point I felt a drop of water fall on my shoulder. I stopped crying, then I looked up. And I am surprised that he is my best friend Anthony. Yes, Anthony. Me, James, and Anthony were very good friends in varsity. After me and James's relationship, he went abroad with his family. I cried a lot for him. Because he left without telling me anything.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.